let me go and open something else. All right, so this isn't wrapped or anything like that, so you kind of get a clear picture of what it is. It is the C.O.B, the C.O.B by Leisure Carry. All right. I reached out to this guy and his company because I saw a video that just passed my reel, and I thought it was an awesome invention. Made in the USA. Okay, inside the package, I got pretty cool slap right there. Clip-on belt. That's what the C.O.B stands for. Clip-on belt. And that is this concoction right here. So if you're anything like me and you run hot, and I mean hot, you're always wearing some type of shorts, sweat shorts. I don't wear pants that much because I just run hot. And especially here in Vegas, we're averaging right now about 105, 110 on a good day, right? But I've had a couple days where I get in the car and I'm sitting in 118. There was no joke. I'll take a picture of it one time. I got in the car and it was 122. What? 122? Anyways. So this Leisure Carry is pretty awesome because this is a biothane material. Biothane is used in most common dog leashes, so it's fairly robust, it's strong. And then we have ulti-clips on each side. The total length of this is about 11.5 inches. Now how this works is you clip this onto your shorts or your sweat shorts. I'm wearing some shorts right now. I'm gonna show you guys how this works, okay? So let's transition. What's up? All right, so these are some shorts that I'm wearing right now, okay? You can call them Hoochie Daddy shorts, but you put this on there and then becomes Poochie Daddy shorts, all right? So what you do is you get these ulti clips and you pull them up, right? Just like so. And then you clip it onto your shorts. So right now I have on some running Nike shorts, and you clip this onto your pants like so. Or your shorts, I'm sorry. Your shorts. Boom, like so. And then your drawstring creates the retention that you need to tighten it. So you don't need to ratchet it like a belt, because one of the ways that I do it makeshift is if I'm wearing shorts like this, I'll wear my Core Essentials belt or some other belt. But the problem with that is that it hurts my back, especially if I got my pew attached to me or anything like that. So you tie your drawstrings like so, all right? And then you can tuck it in an area right there. So that's essentially what it looks like on you, okay? So let's just say, for example, this spew where I put this crossbreed clip on there. I'm going to clip this on here, and this is what it looks like on my person, okay? Boom. Disappears. Hello? Deploy. Okay? I don't want to cut myself now. All right. But that is how this system works. Now, I don't got a pew or anything like that, but I was prepared with a holster. So this right here is the IKC holster specific for my Glock 19 MOS Gen 5. And this clips in like so. No problem. Hides in right there. And then these are shorts, okay? I don't have anything in the back or anything like that. Everything is right here up front. And that is how this works. So, Leisure Carry. Pretty awesome stuff. Ron from Leisure Carry, thank you for hooking your boy up with this belt. Can't wait to rock it, make a video about it, and let you guys know how it works, because I've tried different things like the core belt, especially the core belt. That's a rugged, tough material belt. And the more you ratchet it, the more you're just cutting that circulation around your circumference. So I was searching, looking for different companies that offer something that fit this type of carry. And I think Neomag makes something like that as well. I think it's the Neomag Alias, but that has a couple more parts to it where you got to clip it onto the belt, if so, or they have like an ulti clip option, but there's just too many parts to carrying. And I find, and I've seen videos of this looking like a better option. So let's check out his site. Leisure Carry. So Leisure Carry. Boom. So this is his shop. Leisure Carry exists to make the concepts of personal responsibility. Oh, look at that. Personal message from Ron himself. Talk to you later, buddy. But self-defense more accessible and applicable by removing significant barriers. So let's shop. How much does this cost? $59.99. It's 11.5 clip-on belt HD. Let's do a quick view. Okay, so that's that. This is how it looks like. That's a crazy bow right there. Oh my gosh. This is how it looks like if you have a larger setup. You can play tennis. Why not? All right, this is with some sweat shorts. And yeah, so that's pretty much what you're getting with this. So without a clip-on belt, your options for carrying without belt loops are in a bag, clip to your holster or elastic waistband, wrap a belt around your waist. That's me right here. And that just isn't practical for me. And then carrying in a bag, that's just way too much work to go in and, you know, get your stuff. So yeah, you know, Leisure Carry is where it's at. I'm gonna make sure I update you guys with a video. And then look at this, guys. Made in the USA. Everything. The ulti clips, the biothane, all made in the USA. Super awesome.